Typhoon Hinamner is heading north over the waters south of Okinawa Prefecture. The Japan Meteorological Agency said the powerful typhoon was slowly making its way north over waters 130 kilometers south-southeast of Ishigaki Island, Okinawa, on Saturday afternoon. It has a central atmospheric pressure of 955 hectopascals. Maximum wind speed around its center is 144 kilometers per hour, with gusts of 216 kilometers per hour. The storm was carrying winds of 90 kilometers per hour or more within a radius of 130 kilometers from its core. The typhoon is expected to come very close to Okinawa's Sakishima Islands, including the islands of Ishigaki and Miyako, through Saturday evening. Weather officials have issued a hurricane warning, predicting that strong winds strong enough to destroy homes will sweep the islands from Saturday night. Winds of up to 162 km per hour are expected over the Sakishima Islands on Saturday and Sunday, while the main island region of Okinawa will see winds of up to 72 km per hour on Saturday. The sea will also be very rough with expected waves as high as 10 meters around the Sakishima Islands and 9 meters in the area of the main island of Okinawa. When the typhoon moves slowly, storm conditions are expected to last for hours. The public is advised to be wary of wind gusts and high waves. The maximum hourly precipitation forecast for the Sakishima Islands is 70 millimeters. Residents are advised to remain on high alert for landslides, flooding in low-lying areas and overflowing rivers. The city of Miyakojima issued evacuation orders for all of its 55,541 residents in 29,295 households as of Saturday morning. Ishigaki City also instructed all 49,651 residents in 25,642 households to evacuate. Meanwhile, the CWB Central Weather Bureau has issued a warning for Typhoon Hinamner as it approaches the waters of southeast and east Taiwan, Friday, September 2, 2022. A number of flights and ferry services near and long distances have been cancelled due to Typhoon Hinamner. According to the Civil Aviation Administration, 8 flights, 7 of them domestic and 1 international, had been cancelled by 10 a.m. due to the storm, and another 3 flights between Taiwan and Singapore and Manila were delayed for the same reason. A total of 65 ferry services on 12 routes scheduled for Friday have also been cancelled, the Maritime Port Bureau said. Nearly half of those voyages serve Green Island and Orchid Island, which is located east of Taiwan, which is likely to have the most impact. Other services were cancelled in northern and western Taiwan ports, islands and the Taiwan Strait. According to the CWB, Typhoon Hinamner was located about 420 kilometers east of Cape Eluanbai, the southernmost tip of Taiwan Island. As of Friday afternoon and moving north-northwest at a speed of 8 kilometers per hour. The system has a radius of 250 kilometers and carries winds of 162 kilometers per hour with gusts of up to 198 kilometers per hour. The typhoon is approaching the Bashi Strait between Taiwan and the Philippines, posing a threat to waters southeast and northeast of Taiwan and the Bashi Strait, the CWB said. It is forecast that the outskirts of Hinamner will bring heavy rains to mountainous areas of Taipei, New Taipei, Taoyuan and Hsinchu on Friday. Heavy rains are also possible in plain areas in northern Taiwan and Ilan. The CWB defines heavy rain as the accumulation of rainfall of 80 millimeters or more in a 24-hour period or 40 millimeters or more in 1 hour, while very heavy rain refers to the accumulation of rainfall of 200 millimeters or more in a 24-hour period. Meanwhile, coastal and open areas in western, northeastern and eastern Taiwan, as well as Orchid Island, Green Island, Penghu, and Matsu Islands can see wind gusts of 75 to 117 km per hour, and waves with a height of between 3 and 6 meters. Citing Taiwanese radio ID RTI.org.tw, the CWB has also issued a strong wind warning for coastal areas, urging people to be more vigilant. The fishermen are getting ready to moor their boats to the edge of the pier. Typhoon Hinamner is now getting closer to Taiwan, making fishermen have to do some preparations.